Let's move on to step 2 of our process. We'll analyze them to find the best opportunities and start building a list of keywords to include in an article. We'll pick mini chocolate chip cookies as our example keyword and open its keyword overview page by clicking on it. Right away, Semrush gives us essential keyword data. For the volume, we see 3,600 monthly searches, which is pretty solid traffic. We see a difficulty of 21%, which is easy, very achievable with good content. And over here, we see that the intent is informational, meaning users are looking for guides, recipes, or how-to content. Scrolling down to the keyword overview page, we reach the keyword ideas section. This area suggests related keywords, variations, and questions people are searching for, all valuable opportunities to expand your content strategy. Look for long-tail keywords and lower difficulty terms that align with your main topic. These can be easier to rank for while still attracting your desired audience. Scrolling down further to the SERP analysis section, we see exactly what's ranking for mini chocolate chip cookies. A breakdown of the search engine results page, or SERP, that shows what appears when someone searches for this keyword. The number 1 ranking is a recipe from Cooking Classy. If we click this little arrow icon, we can go to the site, and we see it's clearly informational content, lots of images, and a step-by-step structure. Other results like Kroll's Corner and Chell's Sweets also provide detailed recipes which confirm exactly the type of content we should create. Also notice the image pack and featured snippets appearing in the search results. The position 0 or featured snippet at the top of the page is a collection of 3 recipes which appear even before the official first result. This tells us that Google prefers structured information, exactly what we'd want to provide to capture this valuable spot. Another metric to pay attention to is the page authority score, or page AS. This measures a web page's overall strength in search rankings based on backlinks, traffic, and keyword rankings. A higher AS means a site is more trusted by Google, making it harder to outrank. But by targeting lower AS competitors, you can find easier keyword opportunities. At the top right of this SERP analysis section, you can also click View SERP to view the actual search engine results page.